One of the very first magic tricks I ever learned was a 3-card Monte packet trick called Color Monte. I mean, I carried this thing with me everywhere. Not this one. I paid for this thing like 20 times. I can still remember the time my school teacher took it away from me for secretly performing it during class. I was so sad. I mean, the very next Saturday I rode my bike all the way to the magic shop at the mall and I bought another one. There was no way I was waiting till the end of the school year to get that one back. So today, almost 50 years later, and after creating several other Monte routines, I'm going to share with you a few secrets that I bet you didn't know about, including money cards, 2 rules, what happens if you think it's in the middle, and of course, a tutorial for everything you're about to see. These are money cards, the ladies in red. They're perfect for 3-card Monte. Rule number 1 is 3 cards only. Rule number 2 is they can't all be money cards, or it would be completely unfair, especially for the person running the scam. The snap does nothing. It's just for sound effects. Whistling works. Another money card goes on the bottom. More sound effects. And now we can begin. The money card will always be in the middle, from the bottom to the top, then always in the middle. Always. Now, if you think it's in the middle, never believe everything you're told. If I say it's on the top, it's not on the top. If I say it's on the bottom, it's not on the bottom. If I say it's in the middle, we're out of money cards and we have to start all over. The 3-card rule applies, so 1 card must be discarded. Luckily, there's an extra backup money card. The backup money card goes in the middle with its back up. If the backup is turned back down, you can see it's not a money card at all, and you might begin to question everything that's being said. If I say it's on the top, it's not on the top. If I say it's on the bottom, it's not on the bottom. If I say it's in the middle, it's not. Okay, not what you expected. Well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I hope it gave you a little smile. And whether you smiled or kept a straight poker face, please subscribe to my channel. And go ahead and hit that like button. That was a Tom Matrick original Monte routine, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But first, just remember, if you don't want to know the secrets, then walk away or choose to stay, because once you do know, you can't unknow. Let's give a couple seconds for those who don't want to know. Okay, let's break it down. This routine uses 4 cards only. There are 3 different moves to master, including the Elmsley count, frustration count, and one of the easiest double lifts in card magic. First, I'll give a very brief tutorial on each of the moves, then I'll go through the entire routine step by step. Using an Elmsley count, we want to count 4 cards as 4 and hide 1 card. The hidden card will be 3rd position down. Hold the cards with your thumb and index finger, pinch it really tightly here. You should be able to push all the cards on the top over except for this last card. Pinch it really tight, put this finger right here, it makes like a little square. You're going to come over with this hand, always keep your index finger in the front. You're going to peel off that first card and always pull on a 45-degree angle. You're going to pull this first card over, push off these 2 cards. When you come back, you're going to drop off that first card underneath, grab these 2 cards, pull them away, take the next card, and then the next card. And notice this is the hand that's moving. This hand stays still. The frustration count makes several different cards appear as if they're all the same. Hold the cards between your thumb and your 2 middle fingers. Show the bottom card, slide a top card. Show the bottom card, slide a top card. Show the bottom card. Here's a little tip. When you're sliding off the top card, bring your thumb a little farther than normal. It'll help hide which cards are sliding off. And as long as you don't flash your hidden cards, the only thing your spectators see are cards sliding off and a bunch of queens. It's easy to do, but it takes practice in front of a mirror or a camera to make it look good. A double lift and a single lift must look the same. This is a double lift. This is a single lift. Double, single. You're going to put pressure right here with your thumb and this finger, and you're going to push hard, and you're going to smear over the top two cards. This is a single card. These are two cards. You're just going to push it over the slightest little bit so you can get your fingers right here, pinch it, pull it out, and flip it over. Square it up. Do the same thing again to turn it back over. Now if you put a card on the bottom, it's just the same thing. You push over the two cards and put them on the bottom. These are the cards, and this is the setup. This routine uses one double-faced card and 3 regular cards. This one has the Queen of Hearts on one side and the 9 of Spades on the other. You can buy an entire deck of double-faced cards, or you can make your own. I have a tutorial video that shows you how to do it, and I'll leave a link in the description. You can use any double-faced card as long as it has 2 contrasting faces. You'll need 2 regular cards to match one side and 1 regular card to match the other, preferably a court card, ace, or joker for the money card. This is the order: a regular 9, a regular queen, double-faced card with the queen facing up, and a regular 9. Turn them over. You can see the double-faced card is in 3rd position down, ready to begin. This is the sequence of moves for this routine. Perform an Elmsley count. Book turn the pack over, push off a single card, placing it over here. That's your double-faced card. There's a 9 on the bottom. Book turn these, spread them to the right, showing 3 cards only. Close them back up. Perform a flustration count. That's reversing your order. Now you're going to do a double lift, place 2 cards on the bottom. Book turn, show the 9. Do not flash that bottom 9. Book turn again. Do a double lift showing the queen, double lift again, single lift pushing a card onto the bottom. Book turn showing the 2 9s, reversing the order like this. That's reversing the order. Close them up. Double lift 2 cards, place them on the bottom. Book turn. Do a double lift showing the queen, double lift again. Spread them to the right. Take this card, which is actually your 9, place it in the middle. Reveal the center card, turn it back over. Close them up. Do a double lift, showing the 9, double lift again, place your queen down. Push the bottom card over, showing the 9, and then show your last 9. Pick them up, reverse the order again as you have to start all over. Close them up. Do a double lift, showing a 9, double lift again, single lift your queen over here. Book turn. These are your 2 9s. Scoop the queen, which is your double-faced card. Do a double lift, turning it over. Spread to the right. Place this card, which is actually your 9, place it here. This is your double-faced card. Spread them out. Reveal the center card. Close them up. Do a double lift, showing the back. Double lift again. Place this card down. This is your double-faced card. And these are your 2 9s. Book turn them. Scoop this card. Do a double lift, showing a 9. Double lift again. Place your queen down. Show the bottom card. And show this card. And that is how you do that.